Hi, it's Denise. We're on balance. So before we get started, be sure to hit like and subscribe and share this with somebody you think it could help. And excuse me, I just got done teaching 4 fitness classes at the gym, but I didn't want to get off track with talking to you about balance. Did you know 1 in 3 seniors will fall and seriously injure themselves each year? And it's something that you can help prevent it by not only working on your balance, but keeping your core strong as well. So let me back up here so that you can see me. Don't make it more difficult than what it is, okay? Sometimes just standing up on your toes and bring it down, which is also too far, because then you're working your calves. Your calves is what pumps the blood back up to your heart, which is extremely important. But standing on your tiptoes, you see I'm wiggling. And we went over heel toe, where you literally put your heel in front of the opposite toe as you're walking, and then backwards, toe heel, toe heel. It's not as easy as it looks, and that's why when you see people getting pulled over for intoxicated or impaired driving, and they're out there with that test heel toe, and I can't do it sometimes in the gym, you have to wonder about that. So first things first, chest is proud, chin is up. Roll the shoulders back and down, okay? Next time you go to the grocery store, take a look around at people that are your age or older, and you often see them like this, shuffling. That's not what we want to do. Shuffling your feet gives you a really good chance of sticking and falling. So first things first, make sure you're picking up your feet as you're walking. All right, that's the first thing. Balance, we already did heel toe. So the other one that you can do is you roll them back, engage your core, meaning to pull that belly button on your spine. Simply lift your foot up. Let it hover. You're standing on one foot. Think of majestic flamingo. And then the other side, pick it up and hover. Now you can start here by picking it up in front. Then go to here. Make sure you're by a wall in case you need it. And finally, opposite hand, opposite knee. All right, and the wobbling, that's your balance engaging. That's not a bad thing. But make sure you are always near a wall. So if you need to, you can touch it and give you a little bit more stability, okay? We're gonna keep going through this because as a senior fitness instructor, I see this all the time. And you've got to work on your balance, especially as you age. You want to be around a long time. Get that balance. And also always remember, chest is proud, chin is up, core is engaged. I'll be back again. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss anything, and share this with anybody you think it would help. And keep in mind, I cannot see you, and always, always, always check with your doctor before beginning any new exercise program. You can find me howtostayfitover50.com or Healthy After 50 with Denise on Facebook. Chat soon.